Welcome to this video on how to get contacts into your NSv Connect portal. NSv Connect allows each user on your account to upload a contacts directory. This list will sync with the network phone book on their handset as well as their soft phone contacts, if applicable. Customer administrators have the option to upload a list of contacts for a user or the entire company. Add all contacts you wish to have available in your phone book to the contacts template, then upload this in the contacts section of the NSv Connect portal. Once the list has been uploaded, you can view all contacts and use the click to dial functionality. You can also search for those contacts within the phone book on your handset. There are two possible ways to add contacts. Add each contact individually, or add multiple contacts using the CSV template. From the dashboard screen, click on the Contacts button, or click the People icon in the left side navigation bar, followed by Contacts. Click on the Add Contact button. This will display the Add Contact window. If you are the customer administrator, you can add contacts for each user individually or for the entire company. If you are a regular user, you can only add your own contacts. Enter the first and last name, and choose a number type radio button. Now enter the number to dial. You can enter a company name, email address and any notes you wish. Then click the Add button to create the contact. To add multiple contacts at once, we will use a CSV file. From the Contacts section, click the Import button. Now choose the Download sample link for the file type you wish to create. We can support Google, Outlook, and vCard such as for iOS contacts in addition to the native NSv Connect CSV type. We will use the NSv Connect type for this demonstration. This will download a CSV file to your computer. When opened in Microsoft Excel, it will already have some populated headers as seen here. Populate the fields with the required information for all contacts. The header titles are recommended but not mandatory. Once the CSV file is populated with the correct details, upload the file to the NSv Connect portal by dragging and dropping the saved file into the media uploader. Once the file has been uploaded, the new contacts will appear in your contacts on the NSv Connect portal and the address book on your linked device. Click to Call is accessed from the Contacts section, and is activated using the phone buttons to the right of each contact. Click on the desired number type. A dialog box will open asking which device you would like to use to place the call. Clicking the Click to Call button for your desired device will begin calling the contact number. Please note that only devices assigned to a user can use the Click to Call feature. To edit any added contact, click on the building icon to the left or the Edit button to the right of the contact you wish to edit. Thank you for watching this video on setting up contacts in the NSv Connect portal.